In this video, we're covering composite transformations. Now, these are combinations of transformations that, remember, transformations are our translations, the sliding, reflections, which is the flipping, and rotations, which is the spinning. Now, these can all be applied one after the other. Now, when this is done, this is known as composite transformations. So multiple transformations occurring. So as you can see on your screen there, we've got a range of different shapes, and we're going to go through it and identify what's occurring each time. So when we're going from shape 1 to shape 2, that is a translation. So translation. Because we're sliding with the shape, the triangle is sliding across the page. The next one is we have a reflection, and you can tell it's a reflection because if I draw a dotted line here, it's been reflected across there. So that's reflection going from 2 to 3. And then the next one, again, we're sliding again. So this is a translation. So as you can see, multiple transformations have occurred. We went from a translation to a reflection to another translation. We're going to do one more. So we're starting at shape 1 and we're going to shape 2. Now this looks like it is a rotation. So a rotation up here. And then it looks like we have a reflection there. Going from 2 to 3, that's a reflection. And then lastly, we have another translation. So this time, our composite transformations was a rotation into a reflection and then into a translation. So questions that you'll get around this type of topic is you'll be given an original and you need to find your final image, given that you have to do several different transformations on them. Or you'll be given the original and the image and you need to tell me how you got to that image. Now remember, your original is the very beginning shape, so that's my 1 over here, and then my image is my final destination, which is my 4 in this case.